Hello, myself Dr. Santosh from Roots Kolkata. Today we have one of our patient. He is a patient of alopecia because of the burn. After burn, he has alopecia because on this side there was like burn scar mark, huge scar mark on the whole of the lateral area, and at the age of 2.5 to 3 age में उनका burn हो चुका था. He don't know exactly what exactly the history at that time, but कुछ गिर गया था गरम, and then because of that there is the alopecia and there was no hair or hair follicle over there. He tried some medication, some home therapy, some oil, but कुछ हुआ नहीं up till the age of like 16 to 17. And you know that whenever you have alopecia or barnless or scarring alopecia at that particular part and you don't have hair, you have to face a lot of problem, right? Right now it's 8 months. I know he is happy, but being a new routine, we are also happy to give the happiness to the people like him, so that hair transplant they can go to the higher level. We can do the hair transplant in a patient of burn or radiation alopecia. So that patient really needs a hair transplant because already they are depressed, and because of this cosmetic disfigurement, they are more and more depressed. So that happiness we want to give. So anything else you want to say to people कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो तो ट्रांसप्लांट रिजल्ट आता है या नहीं आता है, आपको क्या लगता है अभी?
ये बहुत पहले बोलते थे कि वहाँ रिजल्ट आएगा नहीं, तो उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ विजिट किया तो पता चला कि आपने सजेस्ट किया रिजल्ट आ जाएगा,
और हमें भी अभी अच्छा लग रहा है नहीं कि सजेस्ट सही हुआ है, टेस्ट सही हुआ है, रिजल्ट सही आया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच.